All right, so I have really enjoyed the operations research courses that I've taken. So I'm going to talk a little bit about MSCI 332, which is a course that we take later on. It's like our Deterministic Optimization Models and Methods course. So yeah, this was getting further into some of the OR methodologies, and in this course we got to take on projects that tackled real world problems. So this could be like warehousing type problems. So I worked on a bin packing problem that would be useful for warehousing and pallet packing for like a logistics company. Then there were also projects that worked on things like scheduling drone deliveries and optimizing radiation therapy, treatment planning. So lots of different projects that we could take on in different fields that you can really see the impact of. But I've also had a lot of use for this course in other things that I've done. So in some of my other courses, so even in my software engineering course, I used some of the methodology that I used in this course for a project. And I'm currently taking an advanced optimization course. And I'm, again, working on things advanced that I learned in this course. But I'm also a softball coach. And at the end of a season a few years ago, I had to rank all of my players on different skills. And so I asked the league what they do with this information. And so the next year, when they get all of their all of their registration for the year, they use all of this ranking information to help make balanced teams for the next year. They also have to take in considerations like friend requests, coach daughters, things like that, to make teams. But they do this whole process manually. So I'm actually taking on a project right now for my current operations research course to develop a system so that they can input all of this data and come out with teams so that we can reduce a lot of time in people making those decisions manually. Also a note on that, I plan on doing my master's focused on operations research at Waterloo in management science. So I've really enjoyed this side of things.
So